Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the app icon for Signal. Now let us begin. Initially what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right you can see your profile picture right here. Click on it right now. Once you guys click on it, you will be redirected to the settings page. Well, as you guys can see, there are lots and lots of options. But right now all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as Appearance. Click on it, and guys, this is it. From here you can change the navigation bar size, message font size, and the thing we are looking for, app icon. Click on it and select the icon of your choice. As you guys can see, there are a multitude of options. Let's select this one. Now just give your confirmation. As you guys can see, the app icon has been changed. Well guys, that is it. That's how we change the app icon on Signal. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.